Hi there, it's Shell and Clint.
Hello, guys.
So, we are done with this gorgeous journal. I love this. It is a trifold, and Clint designed this, and we love how it came together. There's your guy.
Yeah.
So, anyways, yeah, it's gorgeous. Has almost a 2-inch spine, has two signatures, but isn't that pretty? And it comes across. And then the closure is I put some lace here, made it with a bow, and then you just kind of tighten it, and then you can just easily pull that off. And if it gets too full, you can extend it. So, but we loved how that turned out. So, on the inside, we have like a little buckle to hold the lace in place. And then I was still going to put something over this. I haven't decided yet. But I am sending a lot of goodies with this. So like this pile of stuff will be going with it. And then you can do whatever you want to do. It just has some laces that I used inside the book. Some of the fabric Clint used. You know, some of the pieces I made for the book. But I really didn't have a place for it. So all that will go with it. And let's get into this gorgeous piece. Clint made this really pretty pen holder, and then I decorated the front of it, so you can just put a pin there, and it has a paper clip, so you can kind of do that. Move it throughout the book as you want. So this has about I think 18 to 20 pages of signature. So let's say 20 times 2 is 40 times 2 is, so it has about 160 pages or so. Sorry, my math this morning. It's early. It's 7 o'clock on Saturday. And then we have this cute little piece that was inspired by some Gail mail that Gail showed on her channel, Gail Augustinelli. And then that is kind of like a secret journaling spot. I love putting secret journaling spots in my journals. I remember how it goes back together. There we go. And that just goes underneath this paper clip that we've had in our stash. I didn't make that. And just another journaling card. Some beautiful papers. We have coffee dyed papers. This is a large paper clip that I made. Some vintage bird papers. This is kind of really springy journal and have really bright colors, and I loved the colors that Clint chose, so I went really bright with the papers and stuff. And then this is like a hidden journaling spot. You could put coffee dyed paper and kind of extend this if you'd like. And then it goes here and kind of hides that. So just some beautiful papers, and I did some like bright pinks and greens and a little bit of blue. Here's a little picket fence. I thought that would go really cute in this journal with a journaling card. So plenty of places to journal. A small ledger, a large ledger. And then this is one of those pockets I made, and then a couple of more pieces of ephemera there. But just beautiful pages. I love this paper I used for the most part was from Stampin' Up. It was some that I got at a yard sale last year, and I loved it for this journal. So Clint and I had a lot of fun putting it together. This is a fabric flip. This is a crochet piece that Clint did, and he lost his place, so he just cut it off. And I love when he does that because then I get the beautiful pieces. Some trim. I think Leslie sent me that. So, beautiful fabric flip. Ledger paper. This is some more. This is the center of the signature, and I wanted to show you I have like a rose bead. Just a little rose bead and a cute little heart with a keyhole. And then this is the back of the signature. beautiful papers. And then this is the belly band. It's a double belly band, so I put one paper on the top part and then a larger kind of journaling spot on the back. I love these. So fun. This was such a fun journal. I've really enjoyed just, you know, kind of making journals lately. It's just been such a blast. And Clint and I always discuss, you know, how are we going to do that one? Or, you know, what colors go with what? And we have a lot of fun making them. So I did this morning, I went ahead and made those kind of collage pockets that I've been making lately. And I really felt like it would go really pretty in here. And then I used some stickers that came with the paper pack, which is this paper pack, that came from Tuesday Mornings. But they have beautiful stickers, so I kind of incorporated those throughout the journal. And then this is just a big journaling spot. So that was really fun. And then you guys saw this a while back. Clint made this vellum cover paper, and these were cut-offs, and I just made them into some paper clips. And then the same with this one. It was just really bright and pretty colors. So I stuck that in there. They do have coffee dye paper on the back of that, so you can journal. Coffee dye paper, some old music paper, and then this paper. Isn't that gorgeous? I love this. It's so, yeah, so springy, just fun. So here's another one of those paper clips, and then a really bright page. I think Clint made these. I can't remember if he made that on watercolor paper or if I did. I can't remember. But it was just a fun tag to pop in here. Some beautiful papers from Nikki. I think it was Nikki. And then this is like an interactive place, but I wanted a large paper clip to keep it closed. And I'll show you, but you kind of move that, and then you pull this open. And then we have this fun envelope, and then it has a little tag in there. And then this opens. Sorry, it does open. To kind of reveal more pockets and more journaling spots. So that's really fun. And then the back is like this. Has pockets and some tags in there that we've made. So it's just a fun little interactive piece. I really love that. I did make that on my channel. But see how it kind of gapped open, so I created these large paper clip embellishments. So I love that. I think it just is a fun embellishment. So anyways, yeah, this is Kool-Aid dyed paper that my niece did. And this actually covers up the brad in the back, and I just popped that on there and just made a decorative element of it. The birds. Just beautiful papers throughout this journal. Journaling spot. I love that. The little picket fence is so cute. Another fabric flip. I did include some more of the fabrics. Just some little swatches and stuff, so you can, you know, use them to decorate in here, whoever ends up with this journal. And some graph paper, music paper, and then this is one of my favorite places, and I love that we've inspired so many people to make something similar, but it has a hidden journaling spot, and that was really fun, really simple to make. And it just pops right in there, and it looks like a little chimney on the birdhouse. So that was really fun. I enjoyed that a lot. Some papers, another one of those fun collages, and some more journaling in there. And I just love that paper. I think it's beautiful. Here's the center of the signature, and we have another rose, and then like another closed envelope, or another charm. It's a closed envelope. I just thought those would be really pretty in here. And then this was a scrap tag that I made into a pocket. And then I put some of the ephemera that I've made, you know, in the last few months in here. And here's another scrap tag. So you could use this one as a pocket if you wanted to. I got stuck in there. Or, you know, do whatever you want to. But I went ahead and popped that in here too. Another bird I thought was really cute. Music paper, some graph paper, some other paper. I can't think what, parchment I think. And then just gorgeous, gorgeous pieces. And then this one, again, is one of those envelopes that has the extra journaling spot. So I made a couple to put in this journal. And then it just kind of pops like that. If I can get it in there. It really does go in there. There we go. Okay. And then I just popped that in here. And then this was some extra paper, so I just kind of folded it and made a little journaling spot there. I thought he looked really cute, kind of popping out from the edge, and then just another journaling spot here. Beautiful paper. And I love these birds. I think those are so pretty. A little bit of washi tape to cover up something I didn't want there. Graph paper. And then at the end is another one of the fun secret journaling spots. And I love that. I think that is so fun. You can write your passwords down or your Christmas list or whatever you want to. Just something you don't want anyone to read. But I gave plenty of, like I said, plenty of little pieces, and then that's the end of it. So that you can go ahead and continue decorating this to your heart's content. Let me kind of go through. Have a little scrap piece. Some of the papers, like I said, even if they're kind of small, if I thought you might could use them, I'm going to go ahead and pop those in here. And then also some of the fabric. We had quite a bit of like fabric and stuff left over, that when he was cutting out the journal, you can use that. Just really cute pages. Just some ephemera that, you know, I've had in my stash that I thought would go perfect with this little journal. I love that. Another one of those. I added some of the flowers, papers, some more of the fabric. And then some of the laces that I chose for this journal, but I didn't really use, but I thought, you know, you might want to use them. So I put some of those in here. And then a really fun, that just goes perfect with this journal. So I'm going to go ahead and include that. And then a whole sticker pack. For the most part, I cut off the ones that were gone so it fit better in my envelope. And then just a little piece of ephemera and another envelope. So you can incorporate all of this into your journal if you want to. If not, then just pass it along or do whatever you want. So this is going into the store, The Ramblin' Crafter, on Etsy. There is a link below, and it is going live at 10 o'clock a.m. So I'm just going to put, I'm just going to go ahead and make up a draft, and then right at 10 o'clock I'm going to hit the button, and it's going live, and it's just first come, first served. So thank you guys so much for watching. There probably won't be another video up today, but we will see you guys in the next video, so which will be tomorrow. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys soon. See you later. Bye.
Bye, guys.